So we have our Hello World website up right now, and we just used a header 1 to do that. So what I want to show you is what all the different other headers there are. So there's header 1 through 6. So I'm going to add all of them on here. And headers are also used for Google and search engines to know what's relevant and important on your site. When they're searching and you do a search term, they want to know what are the most important terms on your site, and they can use headers to kind of determine that. Because header 1 is going to be the biggest and header 6 is going to be the smallest, and typically that's a good indicator of what's important on the site is what's in the header 1. So we added all those there, and we come back here and we run, and we see that they're all different sizes. And you can think of these as like headings in a Word document. So they're the same way in HTML. And when we get further in, we'll be able to resize any of them to whatever we want them to be. But by default, they're in descending order from 1 to 6, from biggest to smallest.